Al-Shams, the sun. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا.
I call to witness the sun and its light and heat.
وَالْقَمَرِ إِذَا تَلَاهَا.
And the moon when it borrows light from it.
وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا جَلَّاهَا.
And the day when it reveals the sun's glory.
وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَاهَا.
And the night when it draws a veil over it.
وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا.
And the heaven and that great omnipotent divinity who made it.
وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا طَحَاهَا.
And the earth and that great being who expanded it.
وَنَفْسٍ وَمَا سَوَّاهَا.
And the human soul and that mighty Lord who made it perfect.
فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا.
Then he revealed to it its evil and its righteousness.
قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا.
All these are cited to witness that one who purifies it certainly succeeds.
وَقَدْ خَابَ مَنْ دَسَّاهَا.
And he indeed is ruined who corrupts it.
كَذَّبَتْ ثَمُودُ بِطَغْوَاهَا.
The tribe of Thamud belied Salih because of their rebelliousness.
إِذِ انبَعَثَ أَشْقَاهَا.
It was when the wretched most among them arose.
فَقَالَ لَهُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ نَاقَةَ اللَّهِ وَسُقْيَاهَا.
And Allah's messenger said to them, do not interfere with the she-camel, a symbol appointed by the command of Allah, and do not obstruct her from watering.
فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَعَقَرُوهَا فَدَمْدَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّهُمْ بِذَنبِهِمْ فَسَوَّاهَا.
But they belied and disobeyed him and hamstrung her. Then their Lord destroyed them completely for their sin, so much so that he leveled them all to the ground.
وَلَا يَخَافُ عُقْبَاهَا.
And he did not care at all for their end, as to what an utterly miserable state they were reduced.